There is a fifth dimension, beyond that which is known to man. It is a dimension as vast as 10.6 square miles and as timeless as anything created after 1847. It is the middle ground between Portland and Tigard, between obscurity and normalcy. It lies between the pit of man's needs and the summit of his bank account. A town full of dark secrets and keeping up appearances. With stores to dress your dog like a human and clinics to transform an older woman into a creature beyond recognition. This is a place of consumers, with 7 Starbucks in 1 square mile and a public lake that happens to have a membership fee. This quiet town, where one must supposedly pay to be excellent, is a town like none other. In it lies a high school, seemingly ordinary. But once you step into this high school, you have crossed an imaginary line past logic and reason, and into the Twilight Zone. The Lake Oswego High School Gymnasium, a building much like the one you're in now. This sports facility is to be the home of a competition unlike anyone has seen since last year. In this competition, which has been named Mayfete by the locals, the 4 classes of the high school will be pitted against one another in a celebration of spring. But this won't be a normal celebration with flowers and cakes and party materials. This celebration will include formal dancing, singing, talking, less formal dancing, and the occasional hidden innuendo. The winner will earn eternal glory. The loser will not be taunted or booed by other classes, but they will still feel bad. Someone always does in the Twilight Zone.